When I got my first ever job, I was paid minimum wage for doing really hard work, picking peaches. I would work so hard every minute of that hour to get $6. Little did I know that if I came here to Australia for the exact same job, I would be paid a lot more. In most cases, $14 to $20 an hour for the same work. Here in Australia, they have one of the highest minimum wages in the world, and therefore one of the highest salaries in the world. They are so high that people from all around the world, Germany, France, the United States, come here to work and make a ton more money under a working holiday visa. They work in places as beautiful as this, diving and growing pearls, managing camels, running supermarkets, or waiting tables. And in their free time, they get to travel to some of the most beautiful places on Earth. Everyone in the world wants to make money and travel. And here, you can do both. That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow.